Today, we're breaking down the 7 best used pickup trucks under $15,000 that still deliver serious capability, impressive towing power, and the reliability you actually need. Some of these trucks can tow nearly as much as newer models, and many come with practical seating configurations and features that make them perfect for work, road trips, or daily driving. But here's the thing. Buying a used truck isn't just about horsepower and towing numbers. A truck that spent its life in harsh winters or humid climates could be hiding rust, wear, and expensive future repairs. And if you're shopping during spring or summer, be prepared, because truck prices usually climb right along with the temperature. So before you spend thousands on the wrong pickup, stay tuned. We'll show you which used trucks under $15,000 are truly worth your money, which ones are built to last, and what you absolutely need to check before buying. Let's get started. Number 7. 2010 GMC Sierra. The top-rated full-size truck of 2010 is highly ranked as a used truck in 2026. It is capable with either the base V6 or optional 4.8-liter V8 engine. The larger engines offer more power, making the 2010 Sierra incredibly potent. The bigger engines also get better fuel economy than their smaller counterparts. Fully equipped, the 2010 GMC Sierra can tow up to 10,700 pounds. If you want this top-performing used truck, there is a price to pay. On the high end, you could pay up to $28,796. However, you can get one for as low as $12,151 if you do some searching. Single cab models seat up to 3 people, while extended cab and crew cab trucks fit up to 6. Second row passengers will appreciate the added space the crew cab affords. There aren't many standard features in the Sierra, but optional upgrades added a CD changer, Bose stereo system, heated seats, and Bluetooth capability when it was new. Number 6. 2012 Nissan Frontier. The Frontier's optional V6 engine gives it strong acceleration, which, when coupled with a comfortable ride, makes it a good contender for your money. Though the standard 4-cylinder engine will yield better fuel economy, reviewers recommend upgrading. It also has minimal body roll and nimble handling, but the PRO4X model's ride is rougher. Earning an overall score of 8.5 out of 10, a 2012 Nissan Frontier will cost you $13,395 to $23,993. The Frontier's hard plastic interior isn't a consumer or critic favorite, but it does help keep the price down. Its front seats are supportive, and the crew cab has more passenger room than the king cab. A number of convenience features like power windows, power door locks, and air conditioning were optional when it was new. Number 5. 2009 Toyota Tacoma. The 2009 Toyota Tacoma is noted for its good overall performance. Though it is off-road capable, it rides comfortably in multiple types of driving situations. Its optional V6 engine is better for hauling and towing. Its base 4-cylinder engine offers good fuel economy. The Tacoma can tow up to 6,500 pounds when properly equipped. The 2009 Tacoma earned an overall score of 8.5 out of 10 and, when new, was the winner of our 2009 Best Compact Truck for the Money Award. Now, you can get the used version for $9,870 to $20,230. The interior of the Tacoma is filled with durable, high-end materials. Despite the Tacoma's muscular stance, its seat sits low, not providing as much visibility as drivers may prefer. The double cab is the Tacoma's most passenger-friendly configuration, seating 5. When new, it came with few standard features, but numerous technology upgrades were available. Number 4. 2010 Dodge Dakota. Sporting a higher-than-average towing capacity, the 2010 Dodge Dakota runs best when it's equipped with a V8 engine. Although it is prone to some body roll and can deliver a hard ride, its V6 variant offers fuel economy that is average for its class but feels underpowered, especially when towing. Earning an overall score of 8.5 out of 10, the 2010 Dakota is ranked number 4 in used compact trucks under $15,000. If you're in the market for a Dakota of this model year, plan on paying $12,508 to $18,736. The 2010 Dodge Dakota comes with a variety of cab configurations, though critics agree that the crew cab isn't exactly passenger-friendly. The Dakota's Crate and Go cargo system offers a variety of storage options, but the interior is noted for its overall lack of refinement. The Dakota comes with a CD player, but no USB ports. Number 3. 2009 Chevrolet Silverado $1,500. The 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1,500 offers buyers a variety of powertrains to choose from and good towing capability, and earning an overall score of 8.7 out of 10. It can tow up to 10,700 pounds when fully equipped. The Silverado also performs well off-road. You can get the 2009 Silverado for as low as $10,344, but the price rise all the way to $22,988. The Silverado scores well with critics when it comes to its well-appointed interior. Its front seats are comfortable, and the crew cab configuration offers the most space for passengers. A CD player, AUX jack, and satellite radio came as standard when the Silverado was new. Optional add-ons included power-adjustable seats, Bluetooth connectivity, a sunroof, and backup camera. Number 2, 2009 Toyota Tundra. A powerful V8 engine and high safety scores helped drive the 2009 Toyota Tundra toward the top of this list. The Tundra offers a solid ride that can feel rough over bumpy terrain. Rear and four-wheel drive were offered when the model was new. It can tow up to 10,800 pounds when fully equipped. Tied for the second highest overall score on this list, 8.8 out of 10, the 2009 Tundra can be yours for $12,967 to $27,233. The Tundra loses points on its interior, where it doesn't feature as many soft-touch materials as its competitors did when it was new. The interior layout is straightforward and easy to use. Driver and passengers will have plenty of space in all cab layouts. The 2009 Tundra also has more standard features than most of its rivals. Number 1, 2009 Ford F-150. The 2009 Ford F-150 is the top-rated truck in the used full-size trucks under $25,000 category. It wins high marks for its strong engine, refined interior, and safety scores. Though powerful, the F-150's V8 engine does not feel as quick as its competitors. When fully equipped, the truck can tow up to 11,300 pounds. The 2009 F-150 will run you anywhere from $10,654 to $23,736. Not bad considering its high score of 8.8 out of 10. The F-150's comfortable interior affords spacious seating for driver and passengers. Its base model comes with few standard features, but a number of near-luxury features are available on models with optional packages and higher trim levels. Inside the cabin, the F-150 has a large amount of cargo space suitable for work equipment. And before you buy a used pickup truck, remember, always check for rust, maintenance history, and signs of heavy towing abuse. A cheap pickup truck can become an expensive mistake really fast. Whether you choose the dependable Toyota Tacoma, the powerful Ford F-150, or the underrated Nissan Frontier, let us know down in the comments which truck you think is the best value for the money. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next videos on the best and worst used pickup trucks to buy.